Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Appearance, then click on Themes and select Add New. Now, click on Upload Theme, choose the Flatsome theme zip file, and click Install Now. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once the theme is installed, click Activate. Congratulations! The Flatsome theme is now active on your website. After activation, Flatsome will ask you to install required plugins. Click on Begin Installing Plugins and install all recommended plugins such as UX Builder and WooCommerce. After installation, make sure to activate all plugins. Next, go to Flatsome Setup Wizard. Here, you can easily import a demo website. Choose a demo that matches your business and click Import. This will automatically install pages, layouts, and sample content. Now, let's set up WooCommerce. Follow the WooCommerce Setup Wizard to configure your store location, currency, payment methods, and shipping options. To customize your website, open any page and click Edit with UX Builder. Flatsome's UX Builder allows you to customize your site using drag and drop without any coding. You can easily change text, images, buttons, headers, and layouts. Flatsome is fully responsive, so your website will look perfect on mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. That's it. You have successfully installed and set up the Flatsome multi-purpose responsive WooCommerce theme. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.